What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at some card sleeves that you can use to protect your trading cards or your collectible cards. So these are going to be dragon card sleeves. Let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at them. So once we get these out of the box, you'll notice that we have 5 different colors. These are going to be great for separating your cards. You have a quantity of 500. And not only does this help protect your cards, but keep them organized. So let's get a closer look. So when you get a closer look at the card sleeve, you'll notice that you have this nice clear front face. And then on the back, you have this matte textured backing. So this is going to help with protecting your cards and keeping them in the binder. So this gives it some grip so it doesn't slide out, which is going to be very, very helpful. And one thing I really like is that this is clear. So when you put your card in the sleeve, you still are able to see the details, the color accuracy, the holographic design. You can still see all of that on the card when you put these in the sleeve. So there's no washing out of the colors, and this is going to fit your standard size cards nice and tight so the cards don't slip out. And then once you put this in a binder, or if you want to go ahead and put this in another hard shell card sleeve, you can do that and double it up to help protect it even more. This is just going to be a great way to do that. Overall, this is just going to be a great way to protect your cards. You can use these still while playing your card games, or if you're going to be taking these along with you to a trade show, friend's house, anything like that. You just want to make sure that your cards are kept nice and protected and also in place. Now, these do come in various counts, so make sure that you check out the different quantities that are available. And also there are different colors, so make sure that you check that out as well. So guys, once again, these are going to be the dragon card sleeves to help protect your trading cards, your collectible cards, sports cards. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.